p.m. rain. 1 p.m. 60%. 2 p.m. 60%. 3 p.m. 50%. 4 p.m. 50%. 5 p.m. 40%. 6 p.m. 30%.
Kid can barely talk.
Rain, 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 and more rain. I'm excited. We might as well not even delay practice because it's not supposed to stop all day. So why not just ride in the rain?
We're only going 20 miles an hour, but it's already coming down pretty good. Imagine when we're going 80. It's like deja vu. Same road, same car. We're in a Mitsubishi Outlander. Only difference is Jerma's in the back seat. Back there where he belongs. Behind us.
It's gonna be short-lived today.
Oh yeah?
The only time you'll be behind, I'll be behind you.
Hey Loretta! When's the last time you think they updated her photo?
That's no way at 90 she's looking that good. They're not gonna have hardly anybody here. Think about it, dude.
Well, why not? They're still allowing spectators.
It's a ghost town, bro. It's raining.
They moved practice at like 9:15.
Yeah, I got the text.
Can we
What are you taking a video of me for?
What's his temp?
97.3.
Cool. Damn.
Can we park over there?
Yeah. Who else you got a backpacker?
Morning, Joe. Morning, man. I don't feel comfortable with you not wearing a mask.
Dude, this stuff is sick. Look at that. Hey, that actually might kind of go with the helmet a little bit. There's a little bit of like peanut butter and jelly in here. Peanut butter and raspberry jelly. Raspberry jelly. Look at that. Alright, you just want peanut butter? There it is.
Wait, what is Split?
Split is a product that offers you peanut butter and jelly in a convenient gel form.
I was wondering what that was. I saw you put it in here.
Oh, we're leaking.
Yeah, you opened it.
Where do you think Joey rides mainly? He was boots.
Tallahassee, Florida, the goat farm. Grinding out motos with RC. Actually, definitely not with RC.
You think RC's still out there?
RC's along the side of the track eating Doritos, having a beer, enjoying his post-retirement life. Actually, he did lean out quite a bit though. He looks good now. Yeah, RC.
I just like, in my head, I just like to imagine he's still down there just doing motos.
Yeah, right. He's been retired for 10 years and he's just out there grinding, doing 30s still. Oh wow, dude, this is like next level.
Better than Cracker Barrel.
Breakfast burritos. This is pretty deluxe here. I've never seen. This is probably one of the better breakfasts Big John's made. Cinnamon rolls. That's probably for after the motos. Dang. Let's dig in.
Do you like rain delays?
Oh, I love them, Briar. I love just sitting here while it's raining out. Everything's postponed. Take a deep breath and you're sucking your mask.
You sound like Darth Vader.
Like if I'm on the plane and I yawn, like and it sucks into the thing and then I can't breathe at all.
Collagen?
Nope, just some holy basil tea this morning. Tulsi holy basil tea.
That hasn't been on the vlog yet.
Yeah. Coffee and I don't do well for outdoor nationals. So I gotta give it up for 1 day a week. Otherwise my stomach kind of goes south on me.
Done. Look at you even got tea.
Yeah.
All you need is a little twist, bud.
Look at that. You see that? Yes.
No one ever sees the vlog crew.
Vlog crew.
How you doing?
No one ever sees the vlog crew. Turn the camera around.
You're looking lean and mean.
Yeah, I am looking lean and mean, and can I tell the world why? St. Louis Supercross, you're welcome. Talking to one Alex Martin, he gave me tips, intermittent fasting, don't eat late at night. 15 pounds since February, thanks to
Yes.
Thanks to,
Yeah.
oh, we can't do it like full on.
Air high five.
But this is Body by Amart, everybody.
Wow.
Yeah.
I got my own nutrition program.
I mean, I've been blowing you up because no one saw anybody in person for months, and then I came to Utah. They're like, "Did you lose weight?" I'm like, "Talk to Amart about it."
Yeah.
You need to get paid for this.
Thanks, Weeds.
There's a lot of money in the weight loss industry.
Just hanging out in Tennessee at Loretta Lynn's, watching Everybody Loves Raymond.
Classic.
Loretta Lynn's too, Mudfest 2020. Getting ready for practice 1 of 1.
It worse out there than it was last week. Yeah, Good job, Al.
Yeah, that's not bad.
What do you get?
Ended up 6, so it was a good ride. Stayed off the ground.
Oh yeah.
Brought everything back in one piece. Gotta love that.
First and only practice today.
Better or worse than you thought?
It's actually better, and it all is due to the track prep, I think, because they had the track sealed all week, so like the rain wasn't able to penetrate into the dirt, so it was definitely like the base was pretty hard, whereas last week the base was like bottomless. So
It didn't look too bad.
yeah, I was like P2 for a while, and I think it got bumped to P6 at the end. So I'm just chilling, eating lunch early.
What were you in practice?
I think that was P3. Alex was 6. Was he? That's funny.
Killing it.
2 and 4 last weekend, 3 and 6. Yeah, I ran a faster time. Then Marvin Musquin, the kitty cat. That's what I call him. You know why? Because in Supercross, Marvin's always the first guy to try some weird, quirky inside line, you know? And then, like, on really tight weekends, he wins all the time because he rides those kitty cat lines. Yeah, I call him the Samurai.
Is that his real name?
No, it's Joe Shimoda, but I call him the Samurai.
I wonder how much troll stress we're gonna have today. Zero troll stress.
Trolls don't stress.
Trolls don't stress.
Yeah, I look back at those on like 2015 when we were doing like 5 2-hour rides a week and 840s a week. I'm like, I don't know how my body got through that.
Yeah, it did, but never, even at some point it even hit you where it was like, man, I was one. But yeah, I didn't know it. I mean, I kind of knew what your limit was, just watching you, trying to hang on and do what you're doing. I'm like, I didn't, not that I wasn't concerned about you, but I really wasn't under your
Right.
I
I was
go,
just
hey, I
following along.
piggyback it as long as you can
Yeah.
with J-Mart, but be smart, know that you probably, like, because I did not literally J-Mart, I didn't know if there was even a ceiling. Dude, it just seemed like you could just keep going to the moon.
Yeah.
It was scary, you remember? Dude, like, I kept on going, dude, I
When are we gonna break them? 2008. I didn't even qualify for South because I was like, I made it to A practice and I was all stoked, thinking like, yeah, sick in A practice, and then I wish I would have been B practice. It was faster.
yeah, exactly.
You know what helmet you're wearing with that gear?
You got all your stuff.
Split one, yeah.
Okay. That'll match, actually.
Is Split that nutrition?
The peanut butter jelly.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's actually pretty
yeah,
slick.
like I know about it a little bit, yeah. Good for you, they got that.
I guess like the guy was saying that because we have a link in the video and like a lot of people bought product off the link.
Sweet, so they can see the,
Yeah.
see it's
return.
working, return, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm like, heck yeah. Plus it's a good healthy product, It's not like we're promoting Reese's peanut butter cups.
How's that, dude?
Yeah. Yeah, we're putting a new one in. Yeah.
So you put some inserts in there?
Oh yeah, 3 of them.
Yeah. 3? Stack 3?
It's got a little foot.
3 in 1?
Yeah.
Alex, you're one of a kind.
Actually, I think I'm a full inch taller with this setup, Johnny.
So I did move Freddie in.
That's what she
right
said.
Here.
That's good.
Freddie's in your.
Freddie, people liked you on the vlog.
People did?
They said we want to see more Freddie.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Well, maybe Amar and you need to move to Charlotte, move into our house, so we can do this all day long.
What do you think, Big?
Once a week's okay.
Once a
These are definitely yours, right? Can I put them back in the backpack?
Those are 7s?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I didn't even know I had those. Yeah, sweet. More boots.
We found another set.
Booting it up.
He's like a magician. He just keeps pulling boots out of a hole.
You got any more boots for him? Let's
I think
see.
that's it. I think that's it. No more boots.
Freddie's a boot wizard.
Okay, so where am I at?
Tennessee.
Right here. Oh, bro, will you rub me down? No, this is my own personal rubber.
He said you can go out and get a stick and he'll do your arm.
Really?
You can't use the same one as him.
I mean, we can share. My bodily fluids are on this thing. It's okay.
Why are your bodily fluids on that?
Karen's Karen.
We don't like Karen.
Yeah, actually, I take that back. Karen sucks. Yeah. 2020 was the year of Karens. I like how we just been watching the rain, like the weather in Mexico this whole time. I know, it's not relevant to where we are.
There you go, Alex.
Yeah! What a crappy race. That was awesome. You rode so good.
Literally, dude, I almost missed the gate drop. Because like they just basically went right into the 30-second part. I didn't even have my gloves or goggles on. And I'm like, oh crap, better get ready. Then I rip a freaking hole shot, only to like probably the dumbest thing all race. Just, I went around the corner after the Ten Commandments and my hand blew off the bar, and I just tipped over. And I'm pretty sure I crashed 3 more times.
Oh, dude. Great. Got the whole shot.
Not gonna lie, but that was brutal.
Your eyes are like red and swollen.
Absolutely brutal. It works.
Freddie's in second!
Heck yeah.
Go, Fred! No, Fred!
He was riding good. Good
Fred
start.
goes down.
Again, good start.
I can relate.
Today, yeah.
Try not to fall at all this time.
Interesting on this one. Hey, Will, can you
That's
answer
the
that?
plan every time.
Well, I caught up with the team there at Hub.
Here we
and
go.
One of those things actually turned
Round
out to
2.
be an electric car.
We had about a
They didn't want to
40-minute break.
get to the
Yeah.
Told you could win if you didn't crash. Hey, your brother got the overall.
Really?
Yeah. He went like 3-2 for the overall.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bring your face up.
Dude.
Unless that's part of it.
I literally, like, you know, you guys said save the bike.
You
and I
did,
was
you
like,
rode great. You rode so
second.
smooth, like you didn't clutch it a bunch. It was awesome. Your bike never smoked one time. Your brother's the whole race. Oh, you need that hat?
What was my gap? Because I didn't know really
Huge. Like 30 seconds or something.
It was longer than that, bro.
Yeah,
Really?
It was 30 with like 8 minutes to go.
I had to take my goggles off. I tried to keep them on for as long as possible, but it was like, it's getting sketchy.
Your other side.
with a dirt dry.
I got Joe Roll. Hey, Mark. Right here, baby. Jeremy. Jeremy. Here. Good job, Big Al.
Yeah, bro.
Love ya.
Good job.
I wanted to race Big Al and like go, but I was like, I can't race him.
That was sick.
Yeah,
You guys killed it.
Do you like pickles?
I honestly have never been a pickle guy, but my brother loves them.
Where's he at?
He's right there. Yeah, bro. Good job. Where are we at? I didn't even see you back there.
Good job,
Well,
fellas.
I mean, dude, I had to start.
I gotta hold on to these or?
For yours.
Oh, I want them?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
My bike started smoking really, really bad right at half, like just a little before the halfway.
Yeah.
And I was like, I need to conserve this bike.
Yeah.
You were going quick though.
Good job, J-Mon.
Fucking hell.
You're a savage.
He's going up for the podium.
That Big Al is faster than J-Mart today.
Just rewatch some second moto.
That was
That
awesome.
last lap was like.
You rode so easy.
Yeah.
It's like the smoothest you've ever been. If you would have went outside around that hump on the second turn, you would have had the whole shot by like way too
Yeah.
far. You would
Well,
actually, it would have been way easier.
The way they bladed it, there was the rut was still underneath it.
Yeah,
So it
so
was
you
like
couldn't get
booby
over there.
traps.
Well, you didn't. I went 3-2, and you went 2-3.
You went 2-4.
I understand Roy's directing us that.
And then I should have got it.
You should have got it. Yeah, it should have been you and then Loretta second.
You're the man. Thanks, dude. You're awesome, bro. Troll train!
That actually was, I don't even want to admit how easy that felt for some reason. I don't understand why sometimes it's easy and sometimes everything's hard. Like getting a 10th place can be hard. Literally, like I'll feel like I'm on point some days and I'll be 10. But whatever, I'll take it. Hey, you want to come spray me down? Water hose?
I thought you were gonna ask if I wanted to get in with you.
This literally smells like trash can water. Moto 2. Oh, yeah. Oh, watching with the cat. That pretty much sums it up, actually. Yeah.
Are you stoked?
Not gonna lie, it feels pretty good. That was a good day. Feels good. Dude, that's the first moto in 4 motos where I didn't actually crash.
That's sick.
Even if I didn't win, I would have been pumped that I didn't crash. So I'll take it. On to Indiana. Here we go.
I gave him a handshake and said, come on, let's get it done, Alex. And it worked, right?
Yeah, you're the magic.
I know.
Yeah, you're the secret.
Well, if it could work with Bean now.
I'm gonna fly and pay for your travel. Alright. Big Sal's has the keys and he's got a big head because he beat me in Moto 2. Or he beat everybody by a ways. But if only he knew I was conserving my engine 10 minutes into the moto. Said, you can take it, big dog. You got nothing to lose. I got everything to lose. But I'm still proud of him. I'm gonna talk shit, but I'm still f***ing proud of him.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.